Hello, welcome to this quick tutorial on how to connect LG TV remote. If we don't have the remote connected, we can put on the TV here in the bottom by clicking this button once. We should first wait 10 seconds after we've turned the TV on. Next, you face the remote on the TV and press this wheel button. So this wheel in the middle, you press that. If the remote does not work properly, you should initialize it by pressing this home button and back button at the same time for 5 seconds. When the reset is successful, you will see LED light here blinking 3 times. And this is how you connect a LG TV remote. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.